I love my job. I love the people that I work with. I want people to come in, get their job done, work with the latest and greatest, and then go home, be with your family. What I've been noticing since we've been using Trimble Business Center now as a post-processing tool is that folks are getting things done faster. We used to spend hours and hours post-processing day-to-day field data. Now it's being done in minutes. We're confident with the data, and people are able to get their job done quicker. One of the things that I really like about Trimble Business Center is the fact that it's one piece of software that does so many different things. Whereas before we might have to have 3-4 different software packages in order to get the same product. Now we use one. I only have to train on one. I only have to, buy support on one piece of software. I like that. My day doesn't ever really end. It's nice being able to have, software where I can have everything that I need without having to go back out and relocate something. We're creating hybrid surveys nowadays. It's a combination of conventional, remote sense data, airborne. I can pull up photographs of, stakes that were set, point cloud data, things like that. I mean, I'm really able to use that additional data now to enhance or better my survey. One of the things that I really like about Trimble Business Center is the retraceability of our field collected data. Any point that's inside of one of our databases, I'm able to not only know when it was located, by whom, and what equipment that they used in order to get that point. Trimble Business Center, for the first time in my career, has afforded us the opportunities to actually work in true ground coordinates. No more are we taking native grid coordinates and then having a hodgepodge of some grid, some ground. I know what the data is inside of my projects. The network adjustment tools inside of Trimble Business Center are some of the easiest that I've ever used. With doing a true least square adjustment to our database and then getting a compass closure, we can do all that in one package. The folks at Trimble are really paying a lot of attention to their end users. Cool.